one person makes a repeating action and sound, and then another person adds to it, and then another, and you gradually build up a machine. So you could say, we're going to make an essence machine on school. And the first person steps into the circle and says, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. And they have to repeat it like a machine. And then someone else puts their hand up and steps in and says, I wasn't doing anything. I wasn't doing anything. And they time it, obviously, with the other person. And then someone else might step in and say, she did. I saw her. She did. I saw her. And so each person just has to repeat a little bit, and it goes on. And it's very funny. And it's best it doesn't run too long, because the first person who steps in has to do it for the longest. So they're going, I told you not to do that. They're going to run out of energy after a while. But the other things that you can do with it is you can freeze it. And quite often I do this by pretending that there's a button. So I say, okay, when I press the stop button, the machine will stop. Beep. And everybody stops. And then I say, right, when I press this button, the machine's going to start up again, but in slow motion. So I press it and everybody's going, I told you not to do that. Anyway, so that's really good fun. Then you can stop the machine again. Hello, Flora, and hello, Jan, and hello, Josie, who I haven't said hello properly to all of them, and welcome to the meeting. So we're just talking about a game which is called Groovy Image Factory, and which was previously called Essence Machines. And we're going to play it. So finally, the other button you can press, you might guess, is fast forward, is double speed. So you press another button and everybody's going, I told you not to do that. I told you not to do that. I told you not to do that. So it's really funny. And I think language teachers really like this because, you can choose simple phrases. You might have a theme that you've been working on, like hobbies or whatever it might be. And then they can practice their phrases and their vocabulary by playing this game. Okay, so we're going to try it out. And I've actually I don't think I've played it online before, but I think it really lends itself. So I'm going to start off with, in fact, let me just have a quick look at my webpage because I've written down lots of ideas there. We're going to start off with Halloween, okay? The famous festival of Halloween. So anybody who's got an idea can put their hand up, and what they have to do is think of a repeating action and movement, okay? Sorry, action and sound. That's what I mean. Or word. Linda.
Boo.
Okay, good.
Boo.
Okay, and I'm going to stop you there, Linda. Anybody else got one to join in with that?
Trick or treat.
Okay, so I'm going to start the machine again, and I'm going to start with Linda. Beep. Off you go, Linda.
Boo.
Josie.
Boo.
Beep.
Trick
Boo.
or treat.
Boo.
Trick or treat.
Boo.
Trick
And
or treat.
I'm going to stop the machine. Okay, I've just realized that this button is a really good idea. It's great for kind of controlling everything. So anybody else got an idea? Be brave. Jan, Jenny, Flora.
Sure.
Jan. Okay, so Jan, can you show us your idea?
Candy.
Candy. Okay, good. So let's start off. This time I'm going to start with Josie. Beep.
Trick or treat.
And then Jan.
Treat. Trick or treat. Trick
And
or
Linda.
Candy.
Trick or treat.
Boo.
Trick or treat.
Boo.
Candy or
And
treat. Beep.
Boo.
okay, Jenny and Flora, have you got any ideas? I'm going to stop you there, everyone. So what other ideas could you have for Halloween? We've got the candy, we've got boo, we've got trick or treat. We could have somebody
Be a witch.
Be a witch. That's a good idea. Yeah.
A wolf.
Or a wolf or a skeleton.
Oh, yes.
Flora, can you be a wolf or a witch?
Okay.
What are you going to show us? What your idea is?
Ooh.
Brilliant. Okay, we've got a wolf there. Jenny, what about you?
Toffee apple.
Okay.
Toffee apple.
Yeah. Okay. What would be really good is you've got to try and think of different actions, because at the moment everybody's just kind of like doing something to the camera. So you could be biting the toffee apple. It could be something like toffee apple. You see what I mean? So we try and vary the movements a bit. Josie?
I'll do a ringing the bell. Ring, trick or treat.
Excellent. So if everybody this time might be able to vary their action a bit. So I'm going to bring people in one by one. Okay. Jenny's the first. Go.
Toffee apple. Toffee apple.
Josie.
Toffee apple. Toffee apple.
Linda.
Toffee apple.
Ooh.
Toffee apple.
Ooh.
Toffee
Laura.
apple. Toffee apple.
Ooh.
Toffee apple.
Jan.
Toffee apple. Toffee apple. Toffee apple.
And
Toffee
freeze.
apple.
All right, we're going to start the machine again. So freeze your machine wherever you are. And then when I press the button this time, it's going to be in slow motion. The same thing, but really, really slow. And
Toffee apple. Or tree. Toffee apple.
And beep. This time I'm going to press the double speed button. Beep, beep. Off you go.
Toffee apple. Toffee apple. Toffee apple.
And
Toffee apple.
stop there. And I've just thought of another button. This is probably impossible, but it's worth trying out. So when I press the next button, you're going to go in reverse. Go.
Toffee apple toffee.
Ooh.
Apple toffee. Apple toffee. Apple toffee. Apple toffee.
All right. So that was great. That was really good. So what I really like about these meetings is it gives me a chance to try out crazy ideas. And you're all up for it. So that's really
I was going to
good.
say, and we're just crazy enough to help you.
Yeah, exactly.